Welcome to Best Solution 220. Today's video is going to be super exciting because tonight, we are talking about brand new working codes for Dress to Impress. Many players stay up late at night just to watch this video first and grab all the latest fresh codes before anyone else. Yes, in this video, you will get new codes, secret codes, and recently updated working codes that can give you diamonds, outfits, accessories, and premium rewards. But remember, I will not show the codes on the screen. I will say them in voice. So make sure you listen carefully and do not skip the video. Want to know how to redeem the codes? Open Dress to Impress. Tap the codes or gift box icon. Type the code exactly as you hear it. Press redeem and enjoy your free rewards. That's it. Your rewards will be added instantly. Comment down below. Which reward are you trying to unlock? Diamonds, outfit, or something exclusive? More new Dress to Impress codes are coming soon. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get the latest codes before anyone else, even at midnight. This is Best Solution 220. See you in the next video. Happy styling. Bye-bye.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.